Ang atong programa nga My Journey with God Kids Edition is something very close to our hearts. This time, instead of adults doing the usual presentations, we are involving the children themselves sa pagdala sa mensahe sa Ginoo. Through simple Bible stories, songs, memory verses, and short reflections and Bible truths, these young ones become little missionaries, reaching other hearts in a way nga sincere o makapatandog yun sa kalag. And this program teaches them nga age doesn't matter when it comes to serving God. Bisan bata pa sila, ilang nadiskubrihan nga pwede silang gamiton sa Ginoo aron mapahat ang kamatuoran. You know, as Ellen G. White said, that the children are to be trained to become missionaries. They must be helped to understand distinctly what they must do to be saved. And mauni ang atong tumong to train them while they are young. Aron ilang kasing-kasing mapuno gyud sa gugma sa Ginoo ug ilang tingog maggamit sa pagministeryo. The Bible reminds us in Psalm chapter 8 verse 2, out of the mouth of babes, sucklings has thou ordained strength. Sa ato pa, gikan sa mga bata, gipadayag sa Ginoo ang iyang gahom ug pagdaog. Also, gamit ang media platforms, our kids are now sharing their journey with God, not just to people nearby, but even to a wider audience. Now, gikan sa ilang simpleng testimony, daghang kinabuhi ang natandog. In this way, we are not just creating a program. We are shaping a generation of children nga dili mahadlok magstand for truth. And we warmly invite everyone, your families, your friends, neighbors, classmates, and colleagues to join us for our nightly series of My Journey with God Kids Edition. And it will be streamed for 30 nights and one special Sabbath from May 31 to June 14, 2025, every evening from 7 o'clock to 8:30 on Hope Channel, South Philippines, via Facebook, YouTube, and GSAT 37. If you have any prayer request for your family, for your health, for your studies, or anything at all, you can send them to us. We're here to pray with you and for you. Let's journey with God together, and let's bring others with us.